Friday, November 26, 2021, the business world of the internet changed forever. Over 18,000 excited OwnPassivians witnessed a miracle being born. All in attendance were left stunned and speechless because of this acronym CATMO. Mr. Ash Mufareh and his technical geniuses have done it. This creation will become a household phrase, loved by OwnPassivians and hated by all other companies on the internet and off the internet. The platform that we as founders were eyewitnesses to is called OFounders.net. CATMO is powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning technology that will send OwnPassive and OwnPassivians to the very top where all our ears will pop. Not only is OFounders.net is ready to roll out, 7 products have also been introduced to the founders of OwnPassive, who are called OwnPassivians. These 7 products created applause that was deafening. Until last night, people who didn't believe that OwnPassive had any products, including some inside OwnPassive, were silenced. OwnPassive is a real company, with real people, real products, 7 products plus OFounders.net and real compensation. Before the end of November 2021, our founders will be privileged to use these incredible products. Each one is a standalone product. Imagine having all 7 under one roof, the enormous roof of OwnPassive. This opens the massive floodgates of OwnPassive. More state-of-the-art digital products, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, built from scratch, are waiting in the queue. OFounders.net is a marvelous and spectacular platform. It is absolutely flawless. OFounders.net is the command center of OwnPassive, the brains of OwnPassive. It took brilliant people to design this masterpiece of technology. The man who envisioned this creation is Mr. Ash Mufareh, a brilliant man with a loving and caring heart for humanity, has been able to attract technical people who think and feel like he does. Partners, not employees of Mr. Mufareh, who have been so dedicated to OwnPassive and the building of the OFounders.net platform, along with the 7 products introduced to us, have an almost insatiable appetite and drive, that they were told to go home and get some rest. They were willing to launch OFounders.net that night, which was early morning in Hyderabad, India. They reluctantly went home. We deeply appreciate the incredible work ethic and total dedication to Mr. Mufareh and his family and the success of OwnPassive. Each of them is worth their weight in precious diamonds. They are priceless. We OwnPassivians love all the staff at Hyderabad, India. Thank you from the bottom of our appreciative hearts. The driving force behind Mr. Mufareh is his wife and other family members who convinced him that he could design a company unlike no other company ever, OwnPassive. We learned at the webinar that the word yes makes anything conceived by anyone can be a success. Eliminate the word but. That word cancels yes. So, stop using the word but in any endeavor if you want to succeed in life. Mr. Mufareh and his family and his technical staff all said yes. Now, look what we have, OwnPassive. We hope for things we cannot see. We see OwnPassive, so, we no longer must hope. What a marvelous time awaits all of us who believed and never doubted that Mr. Mufareh and his staff and his family could pull this off. Believers in OwnPassive can feel the fire burning in our hearts about the imminent release of OwnPassive to the world. Well, hold on tight and buckle up. It is happening. Are you ready? We are in it and have won it. Who? That there. OwnPassive, that's who. Game on. John White and Bill Must Production.